Guys, today I have OnePlus Ace 5 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connected with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store. Starts off, go back to the main menu, tap on your phone on the right corner and there choose our settings option. In it family, parental controls, and as you can see now we have page 3. To visible game or applications mobile legends game we need more than page 3 to change it. Tap on it, enter our connect pin to parental controls and we can change it from page 3 to maybe allow all included and rated to have all game and application visible. And choose save. Confirm it by save. We can also turn off our parental controls by switch off. That's all, we can go back and try search it again and it is working right now and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, bye!